Generating electricity from solar energy in 4 steps. The fundamental technology used to generate electricity from solar energy is photovoltaic cells. These cells directly convert sunlight into electricity. Here are the steps followed to generate electricity from solar energy. Step 1. Placement of solar panels. Solar panels are usually placed on rooftops of houses or in open areas. These panels are placed at the best possible angle to receive maximum sunlight and achieve maximum efficiency. Step 2. Collection of sunlight on PV cells. When sunlight reaches the panels, the PV cells collect this light. PV cells contain a semiconductor material that is excited by the sunlight and causes electrons to move. Step 3. Movement of electrons. The photons in sunlight excite the semiconductor material in PV cells, causing electrons to move, which in turn generates an electric current. Step 4. Production of electrical current. The electric current produced by the cells is processed by an inverter device and converted into alternating current, AC, that can be used in homes. This process is connected to the home's electrical system to meet its energy needs. Bonus. Step 5. Thermographic inspection with Mapperx. Mapperx detects defects in PV panels completely autonomously without any human intervention. It produces fast and accurate results and generates reports in line with global standards. This way, you can produce electricity from solar energy with high efficiency. These steps are the basic methods for generating electricity from solar energy. Generating electricity using solar energy is environmentally friendly, sustainable, and cost-effective with low maintenance costs. Moreover, many countries offer incentives and tax breaks for solar energy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.